I welcome people of the universal global world, internationally, universally, continentally, in one state, one city, one united unions of every multi-native nations, of their unity in one union's unity of their continental continent, governmental government of the United Nations, of their united unions as United Nations of one continent to one state country of the global world as one, as united as one, as we're applying to all the governmental governments for them to ensure that when we as the media universal productions of the Mak143 come into a great standard of level when we interact and collaborate and interact by being one unity of service network of global network, we become one united government of each and every state country government in their government, when they will be offering their own funds as one government, and then fund them to ensure that they collaborate with the Lamushe Mushe Vamushe S3 Mak143 18Ps Empire Startup ecosystems, and then they build from there to up there, as we are applying not firstly into our government of the city of Cape Town and our government of the Western Cape government, from startup business of business to business and business to government and government to business initiative of relationships. Then we are inviting you into this media productions of book 2, ensuring that you do understand that we are talking right now about business to business, as we invited funders and investors of business global world, internationally and globally and universally worldwide. And now we are ensuring that we are introducing now the business to government relationship initiative of partnering with the government, associating with the government, and then affiliation with the government as stakeholders relationship, to ensure that as we are already there as a CSD relationship of a supply chain management department of the CSD, because we as the ones that have managed to be a startup became the central supplier database to government, whereas we are also the central supplier database to the government of the global goal labs, governmental labs of social outcomes. Therefore, as we are introducing this second media production, we are ensuring that you must, all global people of the universe, of the global world, ensure that when we come in once again, introduce as the Mak143 Universal Media Productions of Book 1 of this entire volume 5, volume 6 productions, ensure that once again, before we enter into our presentation, you must be ensured that each and every organization out there and every business startup out there in their own country, firstly in their own city, first in their own government, they must ensure that they make a business to government relationship, whereas they have government should fund them to ensure that they also grow with us globally, internationally, globally, worldwide, as we are also applying for all those state continental universal global one earth countries to ensure that they also invite us into that initiative of partnerships of the in the criterias of global partnerships, of world partnerships, such as organization as one world youth or one young youth that we also collaborate with over there. Therefore, we are applying now straight to the point. I say welcome everyone. We welcome everyone across the global world. We welcome everyone across the global nations. We welcome everyone to the misfortunate, disadvantaged, and discouraged state government countries that are not recognized at all by the global most empowered and most powerful countries of the global world. As therefore, our initiative over here is dedicated to those countries and those governmental government labs, and into those social outcome labs of the sustainable development goals, especially in Africa, Austria, Latin America, Asia, and straight to the islands and the islands of the entire global world. of One Earth, and not forgetting the partnership of Africa and Europe and the others in the global world, and not forgetting the Middle East over there. We're introducing that all our initiatives from each and every media production you will find on our YouTube channel of Sisa Brian Makaluza 3735, which are the productions of the Lamushe Moshe Vamushe S3 Mak143 18Ps Empire Startup Ecosystems that are followed by the name of the Mak143 Universal Media Productions. This is book two as we continue on our second playlist. We are in application at the City of Cape Town government of the Key Constituency government of the Western Cape government, as we are their central supplier database to government. We are applying for these grants over there, grants for urban sustainable development grant, and for the public transport network grant, and also for the expanding public works program grant, and the human settlement development grant with the informal settlements upgrade partnership grant over there. Therefore, all our professional transforming research intensive innovative sustainable development goal solutions network information society and outcomes document labs global impact bonds document outcomes in our own pioneered and advanced attached documents are a solutions network and resolutions network contributing to all the City of Cape Town mayoral executive committee internal and external of the Western Cape government departments of also the Western Cape provincial government as we are in their service excellence and integrity and trust resolutions to the entire ecosystem of their own sustainable development plans and integrated development plans from 2014 to 2019, 2012 to 2017, and 2022 to 2028, 2032 to 2040. For their Cape Vision 2042, introduced with their vision of Vision 2050, and introducing also their visions of Vision 2032. Therefore, as we continue, they have a great sustainable development plan resolutions of volume 2 of their 10 district special sustainable development and urban settlement with informal and human settlement, including the public transport management of network integrated strategic development sustainable plannings as we have introduced over there from Vision 2022 to Vision 2028, of Vision 22 to Vision 2036 of their expand public works program for environmental integrated strategic development planning of the asset property management development planning of volume 3 of 2028 to 2029. So with our, as this is our initiative of also our volume 1 of volume 2, volume 3, volume 4 of our own planning of our future city together, which is the 10-year midterm strategic development framework goal plan initiative of 2019 to 2029 from the initiative of the 2015 Activate Leadership My Municipality of Intake 3 Module 1 Activate Change Drivers team, which were the Lamushe Moshe Vamushe 18 Ps of the Mak143 Empire Startup Ecosystem. We were a team of the one of the Activate Change leaderships that had managed to be introduced into a integrated, well-organized skill development program where of my municipality, and then my municipality developed and integrated our invite when we were invited into the special development plan of environmental framework plan of volume 1 of 2019 to 2029 of the City of Cape Town government, as we were their central supplier department, as we are still their central supplier to database to government, and we have managed to introduce our planning of our future city together, which is an initiative dedicated to that successional development plan. Therefore, we have managed to introduce here, as we've already said in each and every media production, that our initiative is dedicated to it all. Therefore, in those grants, we are in ensuring that we are in need of a permanent gross net income job employment for 2025-2063 as a field supportive integrated strategic intern coordinating into our volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, volume 4, and volume 5 productions and documentations of great introductions over there, that we are capable of ensuring that we provide great income, job employment, and job opportunities for the entire global world, for the entire global continental continents and their state governments and their state municipalities, their villages, their blocks, their streets, and their municipalities of each and every single country in one country of one continent of one earth, that when we produce all our productions into them and associate and partner with them and also with their own state countries, start-up companies or existing companies, and then we make connections of global interactions and connections of global networks and global solutions. We are introducing also into these departments of governmental departments such as the planning department, engineering and architecture and others, and also into academia, and others are private, others are councillors, and others are ministers, governments of sub-councils, straight to solutions network, advanced management governments, and therefore we are ensuring that we meet again into the next third productions of this play.